This is nerve-wracking. Welcome to my channel. Hello all, my name is Hazel and this is my first YouTube video. So this is very long overdue, and long overdue because like this has been on my mind for years, and I had bought my camera specifically for YouTube and I bought it like about 5 months ago. So this is something that's really long overdue, and I'm just kind of like, new year 2018, let me actually make some moves, you know? Okay, so for my first video this is awkward, oh my god. Okay, so for my first video I decided to do an unveiling of a wig. So I'm wearing a wig right now, but can we just appreciate this hair, please? Like, it's brushed out, but it's so full. 3 bundles, frontal, but it's not glued, so I can't show you all the flip up, you know, styles. But this hair is poppin'. Poppin'. By the way, I can't sing, so you're gonna see me attempt to sing a lot of times, but it's never gonna go well for me. It's not. This is the packaging it came in. So hair company is Velvinque Virgin Hair. Cute little silk bag, and within the silk bag is another silk bag. This one has the company's logo, Velvinque Virgin Hair, so you can see. And in this there are there's a comb, and it's actually when you're walking around straight bob especially, but they're about to be silky. And eyelashes. Can you see that? Yep. Magic Wood Collection eyelashes. Okay. And for the wig, okay, so this is the wig. Let's take this out, making bear noise. And this is the wig. Tag has hair care. And this is the Velvet Blunt 12-inch bob in 1B. The card has a hair care guide. Can you see that? Just telling you how to take care of the hair. And their website and Instagram page. You can't see it, but I'll put it in the description bar so you know. And yeah, I'm about to switch out this one for this one, and we're about to see how it's gonna look. Not meaning to toot my own horn, but so I obviously need to customize that because right now I look crazy. I look good, but I look crazy, you know? Like, I could be more natural looking. It could look a bit, you know? It could look more better than how it looks right now. But no. No, guys, like, ooh, the movement. Ooh, your girl. No, I love a new wig. There's just something about a new wig that just makes you feel like, new wig, who this? I said new wig, who this? Okay, so now we're gonna customize, and I'll be back to show you what I'm gonna do. Or what I did. Or what am I gonna do? Sorry. Wow, this is really bad. better. That's definitely better. Ooh. Ooh, go Hazel. I need to play some soca, so you guys know how much I'm feeling this way. Let me play some soca. Let me play some soca. What? Overdue? It's a soca song called Overdue. Overdue. Oh, by Earthin Elves. Bruh. It's 2018 soca. First of all, I'm going to Trinidad. I'm vlogging in Trinidad. Just know I'm vlogging. You guys are going to be there with me. Getting on road, get on bod. Yo, this wig is sick. I need to do some baby hairs and shit to make it look poppin'. But let me just play between them. You give me some I need. You give me some I crave. I really need you too. Yo! I really wanna feel great now. So let me have my way now. No one ever wanna leave, cause I'm so invested in you. Cause I really feel a vibe every time you something right down. And nobody like this man, I kinda think like this, and I kinda think like you. Nothing and nobody like you. And every single time you touch, no one ever wanna stop, because I always wanna let you know that I love you so much, and nobody like you. Nothing and nobody like you. Time this is overdue, long time this is overdue. This YouTube channel been long overdue, okay? Long time this is overdue, hey. No, I'm not. Too soon for me to rock out on the internet. Like, you guys don't even know me. I don't know if you like me yet. There's something else. So I'm just gonna... Don't mind me my nails though. This is my Christmas nails, okay? Well, don't mind that stuff. I'm just gonna grab hair and fold them out. So these are gonna be my baby hair. There's still a lot, so I'm gonna go in with my tweezer and tweeze more. So this way you can see like, obviously you don't want no thick soup of a baby hair, you know. Yeah, so you just gotta swipe down and it'll just come off. Not come off, it'll just cut. But yeah. So I'm gonna take some Got To Be glue, because that is, you know, savior. Everyone knows. I feel like I don't have to, I can't put anybody on Got To Be glue, because you guys are been put on. You guys put me on. Not like, you know, like what? Yo. Been on. Okay, I'm putting a little on my hand. I'm gonna go in and do a sweep motion. Nice now, hold it there so could there just be doing a motion, no? Just hold it there. Yo, this looks so good. Oh my goodness. This looks really good. Oh, I need to show you what guys what I use. Okay, hold on, give me a second. I'm new to this. Don't mind me. Any flyaways, you know, just deal with it. Woo. Deal with it with some mousse. This is Cream of Nature Argan Oil Mousse. I put it in everything. I put it in my straight hair, my curly hair, everything. Yo, the thing, it's banging. It's just banging. It's just banging. It's just banging. I think I'm gonna just switch into this one. Yo, no. No. Are you seeing this? No. You're not seeing it. You're not seeing this. Are you seeing this? The movement, everything, just everything. Oh my goodness. Who am I? My name is Hazel. Is that Hazel? Oh my goodness. Long time, this is overdue, okay? Long time, this is overdue. Okay, so that is it. This is how I slay out of a Velvinque virgin hair wig. So let me have my way now. No, I'm never gonna leave, cause I'm so invested in you. Cause I really feel a vibe every time you settle right. Don't have nobody like this, man. It's nothing like this. Nothing on nobody like you. And every single time we say I never wanna stop, because I always wanna let you know that I love you so much. It's have nobody like you. Nothing on nobody like you. That's what do YouTubers go through this shit? Like breaking stuff as they're recording? Is this what happens? So this is not a life review. Like my parents gonna kill me. This is a good up dining room chair. And the arms.